Hey my YouTube friends, Allen Pallen here. Thank you so much for joining me today. In this video, we're going to try the Tiny Face Makeup Challenge. A couple weeks ago, I saw a fellow creator known as Jaime French try out this challenge, and I thought it was absolutely hilarious. I'm going to throw up a couple reference photos here. I'll be sure to link the original video down below. This challenge basically entails hiding part of your face, and then drawing on your features as if nothing ever happened. It's gonna be lit. Let the madness begin. I'm going to start things off with my Tarte Maracuja oil. This stuff is great for your skin, your lips, and your hair. Next, I'm going to use my Tarte Maracuja Tinted Moisturizer. Ugh. Ew. I definitely didn't realize until last minute that the mustache had to go, unfortunately. For all the areas that could use just a little more coverage, I have my Shape Tape Concealer. We're going to blend that out. We're going to especially conceal right here so I can draw on the lips. Today I'm going to set the face with my I Am Magic Setting Powder by Juvia's Place. While my face is baking, I'm going to sketch everything out with my e.l.f. H2O Proof Eyeliner Pen. Wish me luck. Smash that like button for luck. I think something's wrong. I think I'm going to try to sketch it on with bronzer. We're going to brush off that bake. You have to hold your breath. What a project. Jaime French, you have the patience of a god. Next, we're gonna try to draw on the lips. I'm gonna try to do this quickly because I wanted to leave the house about an hour ago. I tried to pick a color that was as close to natural lips as possible. I feel like a little piggy. Oh, this smells like birthday cake. Mm. Ow. This looks stupid. I gotta hurry. I've literally been at this for over an hour. I unfortunately need to go, so I'm gonna put a wrap on things. I'm gonna bronze up the perimeters of my face and try and shrink everything a little more. Go figure I would ruin it at the end. Ugh. What a mess. Unfortunately, I'm to the point where the more makeup I add, I'm just making a bigger and bigger mess. I think this is as good as it's gonna get. Hey, big boy. I look absolutely ridiculous. This is not a channel. You hit that like button now. It would be really funny to go somewhere like this. Yes, that's real nice. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff.
chest. I like my chest.
I definitely feel like Jamie did a much better job than I did, but it was so much fun hanging out with you guys regardless. Please share your feedback down below. Don't forget to share this with a friend, or heck, even try it yourself. Until next time, my friends, stay safe.